Did you know your power grid can think, and it's getting smarter by the day? Today we're explaining smart grids at 5 completely different levels, from kids to seniors. By level 5, you'll understand something most engineers don't think about. Imagine if your mail delivery could sense if you're home and deliver your package at the perfect time. That's what smart grids do, but for electricity. Smart grids are like a giant game of connect the dots. But instead of dots, they connect power stations, homes, and even your smart fridge. These grids use thousands of tiny sensors, like walkie-talkies, to talk to each other and keep the lights on, even when something goes wrong. But how does it really work? Let's go deeper. Think of a smart grid like your favorite video game. It needs to load fast, handle lag, and keep everything running smoothly. In real life, smart grids use sensors and software to monitor energy flow in real time, like tracking a live stream with no buffering. In cities with smart grids, power outages can be reduced by 40%. That's like cutting your homework time in half. These grids can handle huge amounts of data, like sending 1,000 texts every second to keep everything running. Now let's see what's actually happening under the hood. Smart grids use advanced algorithms and communication protocols, like the rules of a game, to manage energy flow and respond to problems. They rely on hardware like smart meters and IoT devices, all connected through secure networks, to monitor and control energy in real time. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring cybersecurity, because if someone hacks the grid, they could shut down entire cities. Engineers are also working on integrating renewable energy, like solar and wind, into the grid, which requires smart balancing. But the real impact goes far beyond the technology itself. For adults, smart grids are changing how we use energy, from how we pay for it to how we store it in our homes. They help reduce energy costs and make power more reliable, especially during extreme weather events. But with all this data, privacy and security are big concerns. Who has access to your energy usage? In the next 5 years, smart grids could let your home sell excess energy back to the grid, turning you into a power producer. And now, the perspective only time can give. Smart grids didn't just appear. They evolved from old power systems that were slow and unreliable. Back in the 1900s, power was generated in big plants and sent out like a one-way street. No feedback, no control. Today, smart grids are like a two-way conversation between the grid and your home, making energy use smarter and more efficient. This is a revolution like the one that brought us the internet, changing how we live in ways we can't yet imagine. And scientists still can't explain why some smart grids learn faster than others, but they're working on it. From kids to seniors, smart grids are changing how we power our world, and the future is just getting started. Which level changed how you think about smart grids?